Hey, good day, everyone. Lucian Godfrey here, and I've got Lesego with me here. Lesego, tell us who are you and where are you from?
Hi, everybody. My name is Lesego, and I'm from Johannesburg. Specifically, I'm from Bramley, just near Alexandra. So right now, I'm based in Bramley still, and I stay with my family, which are my parents and my younger brother. But oftentimes he's at school, and I'm planning to move out quite soon, and that's why I'm investing my money so that I'm able to grow my portfolio and achieve diversity in multiple streams of income.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. You were a ball of fire. So I can see that I need to
Yeah.
pick up pace here. So, buddy, obviously we come a long way, and
Yeah.
I'm just wondering, um, just remind me, when did you actually partner with us? And of everyone out there in the market, why did you decide to partner with NMS?
Okay. So I think I partnered with NMS around mid 2021. And the reason I joined NMS is because I've just been hit by a bus,
Okay.
literally, because I had just joined the company and the company just went down the drain. And the reason I joined that company, it was because of there was most of hype in it and I didn't know what I was going into. And what I regret skills. So when I got introduced to Lucian by a good friend of mine, which is Michael Barnes, so I understood that Lucian Godfrey is offering teachings, and which is something that I needed, which is a mentorship. Because in order to get ahead, you need a mentorship. Because if I had been a mentor in place, I wouldn't have gone through that loss that I
Mm.
went through. So having a mentor by my side gave me knowledge and the skills that I needed to progress and excel in the Web3, which is crypto and NFTs. I didn't know anything about NFTs, and I was fascinated when I was learning about NFTs. I learned a lot of skills which were flipping NFTs, which I still do on a part-time basis. I learned on how to mint and how fascinating it is to be a first-time buyer on something new. It was amazing. It's like holding money that you haven't touched before.
Sure, sure, 100%. So, buddy,
Yeah, yeah,
you obviously had a specific goal when you got started. So, just share with us how is it going, and do you see yourself actually reaching your goal?
okay. I forgot to mention when I joined the mentorship, I was actually unemployed, but I took the risk to say that I need to join this so that I further myself. And in order for me to move in the cash flow quadrant, because I want to place myself on the right hand side, which is either an investor or a business owner. So I had to choose whether to run a daily business or become an investor. And at that time, when I was unemployed, I decided to move and become a small time business owner, which required most of my time and my energy. And through investing, I used to invest a little bit of my money, and I started flipping NFTs and earning profits and buying more NFTs. So, which is a strategy I used. And back in 2022, I got back into corporate, and that's when I started to go and investing more onto pre-sales, which gave me access so that I'm able to stand here and present myself here for this great opportunity we have excelled so exceedingly.
Let us a bit into what made you decide to get into one of the pre-sales that we had, Poof, and what did you get started with, and how is it going now?
Okay, when I first understood how a pre-sale worked, it took me back to what happened in my life in 20 South Africa would be familiar with this. In 2020, early around about March, before COVID hit, what's it? Sasol, the company Sasol, the stocks went down. So most people were panicking and were selling. So the stock price went from 200 to around about 28 Rand. And a good friend of mine was like, dude, this is the right time to invest. And I told a couple of people around me, guys, let's invest in Sasol. And that time I didn't have enough money and I only invested 3,000 Rand. And fast forward 18 months later, that 3,000 Rand became 17,000.
Sure.
It grew by 700%. So I thought, I'm like, okay, if that could happen in the stocks, what can happen in crypto? You see, so I took the knowledge that was shared on the group of a pre-sale. I'm like, okay, if I apply this knowledge plus the experience that I have of getting into a pre-sale, it can actually scale higher. So I totally understand that the profits are not made when you're selling. The profits are made when you're buying. So that's where you make a profit, when you buy in, not when you sell.
Amazing.
So that's why I took the time and the opportunity to get into the pre-sales that I've got into, like Poof.
So if you're open to share, why did you get in with, and how's it going now?
Oh, okay. Hey, you see, I'm asking the Poof with 5,250. I think around about that time, it was roughly around $300. And then today, so we invested into Poof in Jan 2023.
Sure.
So today marks at least, I can say roughly 13 months. So today, as we look at Poof, it has gone way up from where we bought it. I think we went about to this level. We went up to 30x.
Wow.
So I think that's what we made. So meaning that 5,250 times 30 is around about 150K.
Amazing.
So most people right now, yes, I'm happy. I'm very glad this is happening, but I'm looking to get more fish and a bigger fish and a bigger piece in the pie. That's what I'm looking at. So right now, if I'm going to invest in something, I'm not going to invest with 5,350. I should be investing with something bigger than that. You see, so that I get more of it and more and more. So that's why I took the initiative of taking Poof along the line.
100%. No, you are right when saying that, but and as you said earlier, that you want to grow your portfolio, there are members who got into some of the opportunities that we provide with 200,000. One member went in with 2 million. So, but it's a journey, and everyone's on their own journey, and yeah,
True,
and,
very much a journey.
and they are actually one that is at hand right now, and there are many more to come. And how do you feel about the others that are available now?
I'm very excited. With the upcoming pre-sales. Like, I'm ready to go, guys. I'm ready to go. Like I'm on the starting lineup. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to fly off. I'm ready to just jet off. I'm ready, guys.
100%. Zeros, thank you so much for tuning in and being willing to share your story. And for those of you, family, who are watching, who are wondering, but what is a pre-sale? What is a private sale? So in short, personally, I took a lump sum of money to actually get into a certain group. And because I'm in that group and there is confidential information shared there, opportunities before it comes to the market, and I get access to it because I hold a certain amount of shares. So it cost like over 1 million. Or its worth is currently over 1 million. So when I got in was like half of that. And then at the end of the day, not everyone has that amount to actually get into the group to get access to these pay sales and private sales. And because I'm there, our members obviously gets access to it. So thank you so much. Is there any last comments that you wish to share before we wrap up?
Okay, before we wrap up, I would just like to say, be patient to start small. Do not be overwhelmed by what people say and what people have brought into the table. Start with what you have and be comfortable with what you have. Even though sometimes you may not have it, we like to have this thing called paper trades. So
Yeah.
paper trades will motivate you in order to get into the private sales that we get into. Be patient to start small while thinking big and thinking long term. We are not in a rush. We're just having a nice journey here
100%.
in crypto space.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, buddy. Peace out.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.